Hello and good morning, everyone. Welcome to Matholics. Today we will be doing what? What we will be doing? Tell me. Today we'll be solving PYQs, the Game Changer series, last lecture for this particular question paper. Okay, so we'll be completing this question paper today only, and do not forget to copy everything, to note down everything. Right? These are questions from section D and section E. I'll try to complete it, right? Because every question actually takes 10 to 15 minutes to get solved. Okay. So now, last question which we did, for what class it is? It is for class 10 maths. Okay. And for board exams 2026. Okay. And BPT, we have already done. Now, this is the first question for the given series. Am I clearly audible and visible? Hello, hi, good morning. Am I clearly audible and visible? Anyone in the comments help me out? Am I clearly audible and visible? Yes or no? I think I am clearly audible and visible. Hi, hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning to everyone. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, so let's start the class in next 30 seconds. This is question from the chapter surface area and volumes. Again, all this requires is perfect calculations. That's it. This question is not so hard, but perfect calculations are really required. Everyone must have liked the session. Okay. From one of the faces of a solid wooden cube of sides 14 centimeter, maximum number of hemispheres of diameter 1.4 centimeter are scooped out. Find the total number of hemispheres that can be scooped out. Also find the total surface area of the remaining solid. How to solve this? First, you must know to draw the diagram. Okay, first thing is draw the diagram. Am I clearly audible and visible? Hi, clear. Yes. Sorted. So now I'm not going to read anyone's comments, just focus on the question. From one of the faces of a solid wooden cube, first you must draw a cube. Okay, you must know how to draw a cube. This is a square. Take the center, again make an equal line like this, join them like this. You have to connect the edges. That's it. So this we have made a cube. Okay, this is a cube. Now from this cube, from one of the faces, solid wooden cube of side 14 centimeter. This side is 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter, and height is also 14 centimeter. Maximum number of hemispheres of diameter 1.4 centimeter are scooped out. Hemispheres. Okay, hemisphere means this would be the scene. Yes or no? Like this. See, these white faces are what? These are hemisphere. Yes, like this they are cutting. Okay, we don't know how many hemispheres are there. Okay, so these are scooped out. This portion is taken out. Diameter 1.5 centimeter. For this hemisphere, diameter equals to 1.4. So radius will be 1.4 by 2 means 0.7 centimeter. This you all must note in boxes. Okay. Now, find the total number of hemispheres that can be scooped out. Find the total number of hemispheres that can be scooped out. How to do? Tell me. How to do? Tell me anyone. How to proceed for this question? Tell me. Total number of hemispheres. Yes, we have to find total number of hemispheres, but how to proceed for this particular question? See, from one of the faces of a solid, the number of hemispheres cut out. Okay, so you think, you just focus on this point, that this is a circle. So from this, I'm taking this surface as a square and taking out it as like this. This is a square. The face of the cube is nothing but a square. And from this, if you take the top view of this cube, you will see a square, and out of the square, small hemispheres are cut. That means circle have been cut out. Okay, these circles, 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, so how many hemispheres can be cut? We say let there are x hemispheres. Let there are x hemispheres. Let there are X hemispheres. Okay. So width of this one hemisphere is what? 1.4 centimeter, 1.4, 1.4, 1.4. Their sum must be equals to 14. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So we'll write 1.4 into X must be equals to 14 centimeter. That means X equals to 14 by 1.4, point gone into 10, 14 ones are 14 tens are, that means X equals to 10. That would mean 10 hemispheres like this, 10 hemispheres like this, and 10 hemispheres like this. There it will be also 10 hemispheres. So final number of hemispheres, it implies we'll say total number of hemispheres equals to 100. How this 100 came? 10 into 10. Row wise also 10. This is the answer. First answer is this 100 hemisphere. How many of you got this point? How many of you got this point? That total number of hemispheres will be what? 100. Yes or no? You actually have to find like this only, that you place hemispheres on a cube, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many hemispheres actually it could be cut out from, it could we could cut from this particular square. Okay, this is 1, this is 2. So all of sum, this sum will be equals to like this, like this, like, right? So that sum will be equals to 1.4, 1.4, 1.4. How many times? X times. So 1.4 into X equals to 14. Total length is 14 centimeters. Okay, got this point? Can we move forward? Is it clear now? Okay, now if there are number of hemispheres 100, now what the second part says, find the total number of hemispheres. Okay, that can be scooped out. Also find the total surface area of the remaining solid. Total surface area of the remaining solid would contain what? See, imagine that it is a perfect cube. Perfect cube. Okay, total surface area will be what? Total surface area of cube, that means 6 faces, one this 6 faces. But this top face has something different. This top face actually have depressions, these curves generated when you scoop out any hemisphere. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. When you scoop out a hemisphere, circular curves will be generated onto the top of this cube. Yes or no? Can you feel this? Can you feel this, every one of you? Total number of hemispheres I have explained 2 times. Okay. Now just focus on to the second point, that how to check for the curves. This is a square. Wait. See, let's say this is the cube. Let's say this is the cubical part. Okay. So when you make hemispheres, you actually are trying to scoop out like this, one. But actually, see, when you see this face like this, it will have circles generated, 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, like this. Can you see this? Can you see this? Yes, everyone. So we have to count how many circles can be put. How many circles can be cut out from this particular square? So one circle's width is 1.4, 1.4, 1.4, 1.4. How many? There are x times, so x into 1.4. Addition will be 14 because the side length is what? 14 centimeter, right? This we have done. Now got the point? Now got the point, everyone? Yes. Now see. So 100 hemisphere, this way we can cut out from this particular cube. Cube, that means the face is a square. Okay. Now they are saying what is the total surface area of the remaining solid, right? So this is a solid cube. This is a solid cube. Okay, solid. Now out of this, you actually scooping out hemispheres. Take out the hemisphere and keep out. Take out the hemisphere. You just imagine of an ice cream scoop, ice cream brick, out of which you are taking the scoop out. When you take out the scoop, a circular depression is created in this ice cream brick. Yes or no? A circular surface is created. That we have to take counter of. Okay. Now for this total surface area of cube, we will say total surface area of remaining solid. Total surface area of remaining solid will be equals to what? First, the total surface area of cube, that means 6 into a square minus. Now, minus we have to do something, right? Onto this surface, instead of this plane surface, these circles have been cut out. These circles have been cut out. So you have to subtract the surface area of these circles, and circles area is what? Pi r square. So how many circles are there? 100. That means 100 pi r square have to be subtracted. So 6a square minus 100 pi r square plus there are 100 hemispheres created onto this square surface of this solid cube. Got the point? Like this 1, this 2, this 3, this 4, 5, 6. Like this 100 hemispheres have been created. So 100 hemispherical surface area you have to counter off. So we'll take 100 into curved surface area of hemisphere. Yes or no? That means 6a square would mean, light 6a square minus 100 pi r square plus 100 into, what is curved surface area of a hemisphere? It is 2 pi r square. So 100 into 2 pi r square. This is the best question for CBSE Boards 2026. Best and 100% expected question. 100% expected question. Got this point? Yes or no? Every one of you. Every one of you. Got this point? Yes or no? So total surface area is the magical part of this question. What actually we have to visualize, the competency based questions which CBSE talks about in their circulars is all about these kind of questions. Okay. So 6 into side square, got the point? 6 into, so total surface area of the cube. But for the top surface, it's not a square which have to be counted in 6a square, right? It is actually subtraction of those 100 circles. So 100 pi r square have to be subtracted, and in addition you'll be getting surfaces, curved surfaces. Okay, how many curved surfaces? 100 curved surfaces, that means 100 to 2 pi r square. So this is 6a square, this is minus 100 pi r square, this is plus 200 pi r square. Okay, so minus 100 and plus 200, it is plus 100 simply. So 6a square plus 100 pi r square. So this is the total answer which we have to calculate. That's it. Nothing else we have to do. So we'll do what now? Just calculate this. That is the putting the values. 6a square would mean 6 into, what is a square? 14 square plus 100 into 22 by 7 into, what is the radius? Radius is 0.7. So 0.7 into 0.7 because it's square. So point gone, we'll get 100 in the denominator. 100 got cancelled. 7 got cancelled. So it is 6 into 14 square is 196 and plus 22 sevens are, it is 154. So add it. 6 6 are 36, 54, 57, 6 1 6, 11. 1176 plus 154. The answer will come out to be 1176 and 154. Add it. 6 and 4 10 7 5 12 1 13 3 1330. 1330 centimeter square is the complete answer. Got the point? 1330 centimeter squares, perfect answer. Correct. Got my point? The total surface area is 1330 and 100 hemispheres are that. Got it? Now keep on copying. I'm giving you 1 minute. Copy, then we'll move forward. Move your hands. Your writing speed must be increased. I'm going to be really fast in this session. Done. Okay, let's move forward. So this was 34th question and part number A. Next, 34th part B. 34th part B. Again, same type of question, but not so tricky. Okay. 34th part B. You need to calculate. Just by copying what doesn't make any sense. After this class, try these questions again. How many of you tried questions again after my class? How many of you? Let's see. How many of you have tried questions after my class also? These kind of questions are questions related to this kind of stuff. No one, sir. Right. So, will there be Are these classes, just attending the classes, sufficient for a practice? I think no. But these questions you must try again, these section C, D, and E questions. From a solid cylinder of height 24 centimeter and radius 5 centimeter, from a solid cylinder, let's say this is a solid cylinder. Okay. Let's say this is a solid cylinder. Okay. You have to draw diagrams neatly and clearly. Height is height is height of cylinder. You have to write like this. C by L means cylinder equals to 24 centimeter. And this radius equals to 45 centimeter. Okay. Next. Two cones of height 12 and 5 are hollowed out. Two cones of height. Okay. Fine. Find the volume and surface area of the remaining solid. Find the volume and surface area of the remaining solid. So just tell me, there is a need to draw diagram? Obviously, yes. Okay. From a solid center of height this and this. It is this. Two cones of height 12 and 5 are hollowed out. Okay. One cylinder is hollowed out from this surface, other from this surface. Okay. Let's say first height is 12. Okay. Once cone is this. Okay. Two cones of height 12. That means this height of cone 1 equal to 12 centimeters. Okay. Another cone is cut from the bottom wall, obviously. Right. And height of the cone is what height of cone? Two cones of height 12 and 5 centimeter are hollowed out. Another height is 5. That means this is 12. This is 5. Like this. Okay. And height of this cone 2 is equals to 5 centimeters. Got the diagram, every one of you? Try to draw the diagram along with me only. This is the final figure. Okay. This is the final figure. From a solid cylinder, height this. Find the volume and surface area of the remaining solid. First we'll find volume. Okay. First we'll find volume. Volume of remaining solid. We'll write volume of remaining solid equals to first volume of cylinder minus this volume of cone 1 plus volume of cone 2. Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me in the comments, every one of you. Is this thing clear to you? That you have to add these two cones first and the addition must be subtracted from this cylinder. So you'll get volume of the remaining solid. So what is volume of cylinder? Formula pi r square. Radius is same. See, radius is same for all the solids. Radius is same for all the solids. But what is different? What is different? Different is heights. So you can write pi r square into height of cone. Oh, sorry. Height of cylinder minus. You have to write volume of cone 1. So it will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. That means 1 by 3 pi r square height of cone 1 plus 1 by 3 pi r square height of cone 2. How many of you got this point, that why we have used same r and different height for all the given data? Yes or no? This you have to take very care. You have to take this thing very much into concern, that yes, this kind of calculations are actually possible and these are easy. Okay. So if you think it is pi r square, we are not changing pi r square. Okay. We are not changing pi r square. So pi r square, if it is common, see, okay, height of cylinder is 24 minus it is 1 by 3 pi r square into what is h1? H1 is what? 12 plus 1 by 3 pi r square into h2. What is h2? H2 is 5. Okay. This height is 12, this is 5. Now you just deal in pi r square first. It is 24 pi r square minus, in bracket it is 12 pi r square by 3 plus it is 5 pi r square by 3. Okay. So when you take LCM, it is 24 pi r square. Okay. Minus. If it is LCM 3 on the denominator, this will get added as it is 12 pi r square plus 5 pi r square. So it is 17 pi r square. It is 17 pi r square. Got this point? Just you work in pi r square, that's it. Okay, like everyone, like, do not forget these sessions are not the ones you actually see on YouTube, right? These are different sessions. LCM is 3, so 24 into 3, it will be 72 pi r square minus 17 pi r square. So finally, will you get what? 50, 57? Yes or no? No, 57 or 55? 55 by 3 pi r square. 72 minus 17 is what? Tell me. It is 55. Okay. So it will be 50. Now calculate. 55 by 3 into 22 by 7 into what is r square? What is radius? Tell me. Radius is 5. Radius is 5. That means 5 square. Can anyone calculate this thing? If you calculate in the starting, now you'll get confused. So volume is 55 by 3. Yes, you have to calculate, my dear. You have to calculate. You have to calculate. Yes. So it is 55 into 22 into 25. Do first this, then divide by 63. So answer will be if you actually see now what mistake we have done in reading, it is two cones of height 12 centimeter. The height is 12. This is not 5. Radius is given 5. Sorry. Radius it is given 5. Okay, I already knew what blunder I am doing. But see, these are the same cones. These are the same cones actually, right? From the center point we are cutting them. Just we have to change the data. Don't worry. Two cones. Two cones of height 12 and radius 5. That means the cones are like this. H1 is this and H2 is also this only. Okay. Height of cone 2 is also 12 centimeter only. Okay. Just change this H1 and H2. That's it. Everything is same, right? H1 is what? H1 is 12. H2 is also 12. H2 is also 12. Okay. H2 is also 12. So simply it came out to be, we are removing all this and just to keep it simple. Got the point? What the statement was given? It was given two cones of height 12 centimeter. Would mean the cones are actually touching each other. Yes or no? Because the total height is 24. H1 and H2 will, no one is actually giving their attention here. Whatever I am writing, you are saying yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. It's not like that. You must actually keep a sharp eye what I am doing. Okay. It's not like every time you say yes sir. Okay. Got my point, what I am saying. Tell me. It is pi r square into 24. Okay, pi r square h. And it is 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Radius is same, height is also same. We have actually thought something different in this question. Okay. Got the point? Now, so it is pi r square into 24. That means 24 pi r square. Minus, it is what? 3 ones are 3 fours are. That means 4 pi r square. It is all 3 fours are. That means 4 pi r square. Simply it's 8 pi r square. So 24 minus 8, 16 pi r square is my answer. 16 into 22 by 7 into radius is 5 into 5. That means 25. Now simply you have to multiply. Simply you have to multiply these things and divide it by 7. Tell me 16, copy. 16 22 into 25 and that divided by 7. Answer will be what? Let's calculate. Okay. Let's calculate. So first you do 25 into 16. 25 into 16, it is 400. Yes or no? Tell me. 25, 16 5s are 80, 32 and 8 400. 400. Now I won't believe on you. I am calculating myself. Okay. Now 400 into 22, 8800 upon 7. When you cut this thing, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 18, 7 twos are 14, 7 and 7, 18 twos are 14, 7 and 7, 18, 7 is 14, 40, 7 fives are 35, then 50, 7 sevens are 49, then 10, 7 ones are 7, 30, 7 fours are 28, 27 twos are 14. So this is 1257.14 centimeter square. Copy this one. Then we'll be doing part number 2. From which source? The source is CBSE class 10th question paper 2025. Okay. We'll be giving PDF for this also on our YouTube channel only on the post section. We'll be giving it to today evening. Today evening. Done, done, done. Okay, B part we'll be doing now. So, what the B part says, always underline, not to get confused, always underline. Find the volume and surface area of the remaining solid. How to find volume and surface area of remaining? Volume we have done. Now finding surface area of the remaining solid. Surface area of the remaining solid. We have to find surface area of remaining solid. How to find? It will be nothing but, see, the total surface area of cylinder got vanished. Okay. We have removed this cone out. So you see what will be remaining? Remaining will be only curved surface area of cylinder. We'll write curved surface area of cylinder plus these two cavities have been made. The circular cavities, okay, the conic cavities. The cones have been formed just like uh, a funnel, right? A conical funnel. Okay, you must have learned in science also. Conical funnel is this. out of which we can put oil or water into the bottles, right? So that conical funnel have been created here. See, this cone have been created here, solid. So this will be curved surface area of cone. So twice curved surface area of cone we have to add. Got this point? Yes or no? Got this point? Yes. So curved surface area of cylinder, pi r square, height of cylinder, plus twice into curved surface area of cone. It is pi r l. Pi r l. Now how to find L? I'm taking this cone out. Let's say this is the cone. Okay. I'm taking this cone out of here. So it is radius and okay, this is radius and this is the height. So now I'm taking this triangle into consideration. This is slant height, this is height, and this is radius r. So in this particular triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem and write L square equals to r square plus h square. First, take out common. Can we take pi r common or pi r square common out of this? We can easily take pi. Everything going good in the class or something disturbance is there? Tell me. Is everything going smooth or is there any problem in the live? Tell me. Everything going smooth enough, okay? I think everything going smooth enough, okay? I think everything is smooth, okay? Sorted? Now, see, you can take pi r common out of this. Pi r. Oh, curved surface area of cylinder, sorry. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. It is 2 pi r h, right? Pi r square h is volume. Pi r square h is volume, okay? Now everything is good. There is no network problem. Now everything is good. Hi. Now everything is smooth. Okay, now this curved surface area is 2 pi r square h. This curved surface area is 2 pi r l. Twice into pi r l. Pi r l is curved surface area of a cone. Okay. Uh, ah. So can we take this pi r common? Tell me. Can we take this pi r common? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes, sir. We can take this pi r common, and what will be left? Just see what will be left. If pi r is common, it will be 2h plus 2l. Okay. I'm not coming here solving the questions just before the class. No, we just solve live as if you are trying in your exam. So we do mistakes. Even I'm doing mistakes, but I'm rectifying it. In the correct timing, I'm able to judge what wrong I am doing, right? Just by clicking again and again. Okay, what is the formula? What is the formula? What is the formula, right? If I'm saying curved surface area of cylinder, first I have written pi r square h, but that was wrong. So just that took my mind. And there is no r square in the formula, right? So again, I recalled that. Okay. Like that, you have also to do in your exams. Cross check 5-6 times that whether you have written the formula correct or no. Got it? So 2 pi r h and 2 pi r l. So pi r common, so 2h plus 2l. Now, what is pi? 22 by 7. What is r? It's 5. What is height of cylinder? This is height of cylinder, okay? Height of cylinder. So what is height of cylinder? So can we take 2 also common? Can we take 2 also common? Yes, sir. We can take 2 also common. So should I write 2 pi r common, and instead of 2, I must write simply h plus l. Tell me if this thing is clear. See, this though you have to look again and again, right? We have taken 2 pi r common. This 2 is also taken common out. 2 pi r. So it is h plus l. That means height of cylinder is what? It is 12. What is L? It's 13. So we'll got the answer as 22 by 7 into 5. 12 plus 13, 25. So it is nothing but what? It will come out to be 110 into 25 upon 7. You add it, 2500 into 50, 2750 upon 7. Solve it and get the answer in points. 2750, or it will be something else. 22 by 2 into 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7, sorry. You have to do like this. 2 into 2 into 20 by 7 into R into H plus L. So it is 44. Instead of check, we have done something wrong or everything is good enough. Check, check, check. It is 44 by 7 into this. Check. 2 into 22 by 7. Curved surface areas of two cones. 2 into 7 into 5 into 13. Okay. And 2 into 7 into 5 into 20. 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Height of the cylinder is what? Check for the height of cylinder from a solid. Okay. Height is 24 centimeter. We have taken 12. Wait. This you have to use 24. Okay. This you have to use 24. Height of the cylinder is 24. So height of cylinder is 24. Just put the values by seeing the diagram. Okay. Do not be in hustle. So 24 and 13, it will be 37. Now calculate. Calculate this thing yourself. I'm not going to do. 44 into 5 into 37. That means 220 into 37 upon 7. Calculate this. What does this come? And give your answer in points. I'm waiting for your answers. I am waiting for your answers. Tell me, tell me, tell me. How to put values? See, value putting is very, very, very important. Okay. See, 8140 upon 7. Now take this in decimals and give me the answer. Okay. First copy this. 44 into 5, it's 220. 44 into 5, it's 220. Okay. One one six two point 85. Let's see. It will come out to be 1162.857. And when you'll round off, na, so it will become 1162.86 centimeter square. This is the answer. Okay. You have to give your answers by rounding off. You have to give your answers by rounding off everything. Okay. This is the answer. 1.1162.86 because it's 857 in the end. Got the point? Done, everyone. Can we move forward? Okay, we can move forward. Enough of the time. 34th part B, we have done. What I'm saying, see, try to learn in this question. Even I have done mistake. I've drawn the incorrect diagram, but read the question first properly. Okay. Next. So 34th question from section D we have done. Okay, the question from statistics. Stats you have to do. How many of you have learned statistics? How many of you have done statistics? Okay, this is the question. Done. See. Question is medical checkup was carried out for 35 students of a class and their weights were recorded as follows. Right. So first you have to write class interval. Okay. Make table like I am making and try to make the table along with me only. Okay. You have to find mean and median both. For mean, you have to find xi. Yes, value of xi. Okay. For mean, you have to find xi, value of xi. What is the formula for mean? Anyone in the comments? Let's see. So what is the class interval? 38 to 40. Okay. Next it is 40 to 42. Next it is 40 to 44. Then it is 44 to 46. Then 46 to 48. 48 to 50. And last one is 50 to 52. 50 to 52. Okay. So this is the question. Right. You just have to focus onto the data which is given, right? The data must be taken care of very, very thoroughly. Okay. Why is it so? You'll understand very soon. Right. So what is the formula for mean which we have actually learned? That first is x bar equals to simple sigma fi xi upon capital N. Next one is x bar equals to a plus sigma fi di upon capital N. And third one, step division, I'll tell you after this question. Okay. You can write here also that x bar equals to a plus is not, we are not getting proper space. Right? Let it be. We'll write afterwards. Huh? Step division is x bar equals to a plus sigma fi ui on capital N into small h. Okay. Now what the values are count for? What the variables mean, we'll be telling you later on. Now, xi means midpoint of this. Xi means midpoint of this. 3840, midpoint is 39. 4042, 41, midpoint. 42 44, 43, 44, 45, 46, and 47. Okay. 50 and 52. No. 41. Oh, 42 it will be there. Oh, sorry. 41 it will be, so 39, 41. Yes. 42 and 44. 43. Then it will be 45. Only 47. Then 49 and then 51. So these are the midpoints for these xi, value of xi. Okay. Now, first you have to find the mean. So we are calculating mean. The table will be separate for mean, separate for median. Okay. So we have got xi. Now we'll got, one is the method you can do, simply write the fi, write the frequency. What are the frequencies given? 3 and 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5. Then 14, 4, 3. 14, 4, and 3. Okay. Check the frequencies 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5, 14, 4, 3, 14, 4, 3. Now you do one thing, either by a simple method, fi xi, this into this into this, but multiplying these big numbers is tough. So you go to the method for the shortcut method, that is di is equals to xi minus a. A is the assumed mean. What is a? A is equals to assumed mean. A double S U M E D. Assumed mean. Now, what actually it means? Assumed mean, I'm telling you, don't worry, right? In this formula, A equal to assumed mean. Assumed mean means count the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take the midpoint of this 39, 41, 43. 3 down, 3 up. This is the required assumed mean. Okay. So you write it as A, capital A. Capital A means this is the assumed mean which we are actually concerned about. Sorted, every one of you. Right, now you do xi minus a means 39 minus 45, 41 minus 45 and write it here. So 39 minus 45, xi minus a, 39 minus 45, it will be minus 6. Okay. 41 minus 45, it will be minus 4. 43 minus 45, it will be minus 2. Right? In the corresponding section only. 45 minus 45, it is 0. 47 minus 45, it is 2. 49 minus 47, oh sorry, 49 minus 45, it will be 4. 51 minus 45, it will be 6. Okay. How actually we got these values? Again, we see xi equals to di equals to xi minus a. Xi minus a would mean 39 minus 45 minus 41 minus 40 minus 2. Then 0, 45 minus 40. Then what is 47 minus 45? It is 2. 49 minus 45, 4, 51 minus 45, 6. Okay, 2 times I have repeated. I guess everyone is clear enough. Some people in my class says that the middle term, yes, assumed mean is also the middle term, right? Middle term, now these are odd values. So 3 up, 3 down. If they are even values, that means let's say if there is 53 also written, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how to decide the middle term? Just 8 terms are there, divide by 2, 4. So fourth or fifth term, anyone. For even number of terms, middle term just divide by 2 and after that, any one of them you can take. That means 45 or 47, anyone you could have taken when there are number of terms even, 45 or 47. But if the number of terms is like that, what it is given here, then you'll write what? The middle term. Okay. Now we'll use FIDI. Now what we'll use? FIDI. Okay. So how to write the values for FIDI? Now write the values FIDI. FIDI. Okay, that's it. FIDI means frequency multiplied by this DI. 3 into minus 6, it will be minus 18. 2 into minus 4, it will be minus 8. 4 into minus 2, it will be minus 8. 5 into 0, it will be 0. 14 into 2, it will be 28. 4 into 4, it will be 16. 3 into 6, it will be 18. Now you find sigma FIDI equals to. This is actually needed in the question. This was the step division method. This we are not going to use right now. Okay, I am removing this one. We have to use the method that x bar mean equals to a plus sigma fi di upon n. Right. So just add these values. Okay. Multiplication we have done right. 0, 28, 16, 18. Okay. Now minus 8, 18 and 8, 8. Minus 18, 8, 8. You add 8, 8, 16, 16, 18, 34. So till here we got minus 34. Okay. You can write it like this in exams also. 8, 8, 16, 38, 34. Now 18 and 16, 34. 34 and 28, it is 62. Okay. So we'll write it as, here it is plus 62. What's the point? Yes or no? What I am saying, what I said, any one of you got this point? That you have to actually cater for the negative values and positive values. You can do like this also. The answer will be 62 minus 34, 28. Okay, answer will be positive 28. Okay, this is 28. You can do like this also. Minus 18 plus 18 got cancelled. Minus 8 minus 8, 60, minus 16 plus 16 got cancelled. Answer is 28. This way is far better. Okay. So 28. So we'll write everything in formula. What is A? A was 45. So 45 plus sigma FIDI would mean 28 upon what is N? Capital N is the sum of these frequencies. Capital N is this is capital N. So sum of the frequencies will be, add them, 3 to 5, 9, 14, 28, 28 and 32, 35. It is given in the question also. that 35 students have been taken care of. Na? Was carried out for 35 students. Okay. So you write 35 over here. That's it. So this will be 7 fives are and 7 fours are. So it is 45 plus 4 by 5. 5 ones are 5 0.8. That means 45.8 kg is my answer. Do not forget to write the unit. Do not forget to write the unit. 45.8 kg is the required mean. This is mean. Copy it. After that, we'll be doing median. Okay, I know it is complicated, but we have tried our best to make it as simple as it could be. Okay, copy it. Done. So let's move on to median. Okay, for median, same table will be used. Okay, for median, the same table will be used, but we will find something else also, right? What's the formula for median? Anyone in the comments? Let's see. What is the form? I'm removing this thing. Okay. What is the formula for median? Anyone? Hmm? One more table you have to make. Median's formula is median is equals to, tell me, everyone, L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F, and that multiplied by H. That multiplied by H. Okay, this is for mean. We put it aside. And this multiplied by. Okay. So how to find the value? Tell me. How to find this value? What is L? L is the lower limit. L is the lower limit. L is the lower limit of the median class. How to find median class? You just have to make the table like this. You just have to make the table like this. If this is the table, right? You focus on Xi and Fi. That's it. Using Fi, write the cumulative frequency of the class. So what is cumulative frequency? First is 3. You write 3. Another is 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. Next one will be, you just keep on adding these frequencies. First 3, then 3, this 3 plus 2. Then this 5 plus 4, it is 9. Then focus on this 9. 9 added with 5, it will be 14. 14 added with 14, it will be 28. 28 added with 4, it will be 32. 32 plus 3, it will be 35. So you must actually learn to make the cumulative frequency table. Now, check for cumulative frequency just greater than, just greater than n by 2. What is n? Capital N is 35 by 2. 35. So n by 2 will be what? 35 by 2. That means 17.5. So just focus on the cumulative frequency greater than 17.5. What is it? Greater than 17.5. Cumulative frequency greater than 17.5. Check. Which cumulative frequency is greater? Which cumulative frequency? N by 2. N by 2 is 17.5. Check for the cumulative frequency just greater than this 17.5. 3, 5, 9, 14, 28. Okay, 28. Is it true? Yes. 28. So you just make a box like this. Okay. Just make a box like this over to this table. If you want, you can make another table also. If you want, you can make another table also. Fine. So this is the cumulative frequency. This is the median class. It implies 46 to 48 is the median class. How many of you have got this point clear in your minds? Very much crystal clear. How many of you? 46 to 48 is the median class. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now what to do? Just you have to use calculations. That's it. Now write down the formula again. What was the formula? That median equals to what? Median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF whole upon F, and that into H. Now, once you find the median class, this is the median class 46 to 48. Got the point? Okay, sir. How to get this median class? Just check n by 2. Cumulative frequency greater than n by 2. 17.5 was n by 2. So greater than 17.5 in this cumulative chart, it is only 28. Everyone is very much clear now. Okay, this cumulative frequency. Now, once you find this, this will be the frequency Fi. So this will be the frequency for the formula F, 14. Frequency of the median class. What is CF? Cumulative frequency just preceding the median class. 14 is just preceding the median class. So this is CF. This is F, which is to be used in formula. Okay, now you'll just put the values. L means 46 plus, so median class will be 46 to 48. Okay, so 46 plus n by 2 is 17.5 calculated here, minus CF will be 14 whole upon again 14 because frequency is this into h. H is the class size 46 to 48 2. L is what? L is lower limit of median class. Median class you can remember by MC. Every one of you must know MC. Yes, median class. Next, F is frequency of median class. Frequency of median class. What is CF? It is cumulative frequency of the class preceding, that means just before, preceding the median class. Okay, in this way you have to remember. Done? I don't know any way better than the practice you must do for having perfection in these type of questions. Okay, so 46 plus it is 14, 46 plus 17.5 minus 14, 3.5 upon 14 into 2. So point gone, denominator will get 10. Okay, 2 ones are 2 fives are 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So 46 plus 7 by 10, that means 46 plus 0.7, that means 46.7 kg is the required median. Got it? It is the required median. Now, what was the question? We have found mean, we have found median. Find the difference between the mean weight and the median weight. Find the difference between the mean weight and the median weight. How to find difference? So difference will be, what was mean? 45.8. So difference equals to, we'll write difference equals to 46.7 minus 45.8. 46.7 minus 45.8. So it will be subtracted 17, it will be 5. So 0.9. If I am right, this is the correct answer. Let me see. 0.9, 0.7, 46.5. How? How? Okay. Apply. Yeah, this was two ones that. Oh my God. Two ones are two sevens are. Sorry. This will be two ones are, and it is two sevens are. It is two sevens are. Wait. Two sevens are 14, and seven ones are 7. It will be 5. So 5 by 10. It is 5 by 10. Okay. That means 0.5. So it will be 46.5. Will be 46.5. So difference will be 46.5. 46.5 minus 45.8. It will be 0.7. Okay. Subtract it and get the answer 0.7. Okay. Subtract like this. 46.5 and 45.8. It is 15. It is 5. 0.7. Okay. So this is the required answer, not the mean and median. Copy it. CF is proceeding. Yes. Now, table you have already done. Just you have to make the cumulative one you have to do. That's it, and nothing else. This is for calculating mean. Okay. Copy this thing from median. Okay. Complete screen is in front of you. Keep on copying. Very important question. Very important. If done, then tell me. Everyone done? Okay, so let's move forward. So this was see what kind of questions you actually get. Okay, in section D. So these are section D questions. Okay, not a joke to solve all this. Fine. So moving on to question number. I guess section D is done for now. Section D has been done in a very cool manner. Okay, so 0.7 kg is the right difference. Okay, 0.7 kg. Next one is this question from the chapter area electric circles, I guess. Yes. Okay. Let's see how to solve this one. Section E questions. Okay. Question number 36. Okay. Let's have this question. Section E means 4 marks questions. Okay. 4 marks questions. Okay. Now read the question. Question says a farmer has a circular piece of land. Everyone is able to see the screen clearly. I think yes. It is very much clear. Okay. You can zoom it. You can zoom it. Read the question, then we'll be solving. Read the question. A farmer has a circular piece of land. He wishes to construct his house in the form of the largest possible square within the land. This is the land, and this is the largest possible square which the farmer actually on which the farmer actually wants to make the house. This is the square, largest possible square in this circle. Largest possible square in this circle. Okay. Now, he wishes to construct his house in the form of largest possible square with the land as shown below. The radius of circular piece of land is 35 meters. Okay. So radius is given as 35 meters. Okay. Based on given information, answer the following questions. Find the length of wire needed to fence the entire land. This is the entire land. Okay. This is the entire land. Yes or no? This circle. For fencing, you actually need the circumference. Yes or no? Yes. So we have to find circumference. First part, circumference equals to 2 pi r. That means 2 into 22 by 7 into 35. So this will be length of wire to actually fence all this, right? Got it. So we'll do like this: 7 ones are 7 fives are 5 twos are 10 and 220 centimeters or meters. 220 meter of wire is required for fencing this complete circular field. Yes or no? Got the point? So this is the very basic. Just one half mark. Just half mark for this. Okay. Just half mark for this. Okay. Second part is tricky. So not clear. See, this is the circle. You have to fence. Just keep on fencing. Fencing means you have to put wire around this circle. Wire. Okay. So wire means you have to complete this circle lengthwise. You have to find circumference. Okay. If they would have said that how much grass would be required to complete this land, so the area will be the answer, pi r square. Okay. Next part. First is done. Second, find the length of each side of the square land on which house will be constructed. Okay. So if this is the circle, okay, and this is the required square inside it, so we have to find what? Side of the square. Let the side of the square is x meters. Right. Let this is x. Okay. If you connect this side to this side, it will be a right angle triangle. This point to this point. This is what? Passing through the center. So this is twice of radius. That means if it is radius is 35, this complete side is 70. So in triangle ABC, you can use what? Pythagoras theorem, right? Side of the square is x. So this is AB is also x because square side is equal. So in this triangle, if I use Pythagoras theorem, what to write? X square plus x square equal to 70 square. How many of you got this point? Applying Pythagoras theorem. Wrong करा रहे हो. क्या wrong कराया भाई? SK Gaming. What wrong is in this? You don't know actually what we are doing and you are just wrong करा रहे हो. What is wrong in this? Tell me. What is wrong in this? Tell me. Do not come and say anything, okay? You kiddo. wrong करा रहे हो. Okay, whatever. So it will be 2x square equals to 70 square. So x square will be 70 into 70 upon 2. Just cut it like 2 ones are and 2 35. So this 70 into 35. Now see how to calculate. If x square equals to 70 into 35, now how to calculate this one? How to calculate this one? Okay. Just imagine you have to take square root of this. Just imagine you have to take square root of this. Okay. How to take square root? Tell me. How to take square root? Tell me. It's okay, baby. We used to get packets like you daily. Don't worry. This is Matholics, okay? And we are not going to stop. Okay. Now see. Okay. So this x square equals 70 to 35. So x will be under root of 17 to 35. Yes or no? X will be under root of this. Tell me. Tell me. When you write x equals to under root of 70 to 35, you just break 70 into two parts, 35 into 2 and into 35. Okay. This 35 into 35 will come outside and it will be 35. Inside root, it will be under root 2. So x equals to 35 under root 2 meters. Okay. See, this is a CBSE question paper and the blueprint from different big names which actually you know, they are saying, okay, put this as answer. But this is not the correct form to write answer. I know 35 under root 2 meters is the correct answer. But, listen this thing. Listen this thing. Do not leave it like this. Do not leave it like this. Okay. You have to actually multiply it by value of root 2, 1.414. That will be perfect answer. Okay. So we'll be calculating later on. Now see the third part. Farmer wishes to grow grass on the shaded region around the house. Okay. Farmer needs to grow grass on the shaded region around the house. What is the shaded region? You can see this one and this one. Okay, sir. Find the cost of growing grass at the rate of rupees 50 per square meter. Find the ratio of land on which house is built. We'll do them, but first copy this. First copy this one, okay? This is another type, another lengthy part. First copy this one. I'm waiting for you for 1 minute. Fast. अरे भाई गलत नहीं है. Don't talk to yourself. If next SK game, if you are commenting like this, na, I'll be sending you out of my class. Last warning. And you also, JP sir, fan. Do it fast. Now we have to find area of segment. Area of segment. Instead of area of segment, there is another way to solve. There is another way to solve. Don't worry. Enough, enough, enough. Stop, stop, stop. Arre, no one can troll me. Come on. Enough. Can we move forward? Done. Okay, let's go forward. So this one was simple. We just used Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now next one. Next part. See what they say. They are saying the farmer wishes to grow grass on the shaded region. This is the shaded region. Okay. So first, area of circle minus area of square, right? We'll get this part, this part, this part, and this part. Then we'll divide it by 2 because these are just 2 parts. These are 4 parts total. Okay. So we'll do area of square, sorry, area of circle first. Area of circle minus area of square. Okay. So what is area of circle? It is pi r square. What is area of square? It is side square. What will be pi r square? Tell me. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me fast. Yes, pi r square would, yeah. Solve by using pi. If pi value is given, see if the value of pi is given in question. No. So you have to write 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into what is radius? What is radius? It was given 35. So 35 into 35 minus what is side of square? Side we just calculated 35 under root 2. Yes or no? Side we just calculated x. X as 35 under root 2. Okay, instead of a you can write x also because we are using side of square as x. Okay. See, you have to be particular in everything. If you want to actually get full out of full marks, 4 out of 4 would mean everything perfect. Minus x square means 35 under root 2 whole square. Got the point? Yes or no? Sorted. Pi not given. Okay, whatever. Now stop talking. It's time to kick 2 people out of here. So it is now, see how to calculate these things easily. Okay. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. Okay. And 5 into 2, 2, it is 110 into 35. Minus, it is 35 into 35 into 2. Okay. So one thing is you multiplied this and get the value. Another method is you have got this 22 by 7 into, wait, now I'm showing you magic. Okay. Try to learn this magic. Okay. This is 22 by 7 into 35 square. Yes or no? Minus, it is 35 square into root 2 square 2. Opening the square. Opening the square. Yes or no? Now see, this is 35 square and it will get common. We can take 35 square common. So 35 square is common, bracket 22 by 7 minus 2 will be there. So it is 35 square into bracket 7 is LCM, 35 minus 14 will be there, LCM. So 35 square into 35 minus 14, it will be 21 by 7. So 7 ones are 7 threes are. Just find 35 square. Is it 1225? Check. 35 into 35, it is 1225. Okay, so 1225 into 3. So it will be 3675. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 7, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3675 centimeter square. Now, this is not the answer. This is not the answer. What we have to do now? What we have to do now? See. What we have to do now? We just have to divide this 3675 by 2. Now, why divide by 2? Tell me, anyone in the comments. Why we have to divide this by 2? Anyone tell me in the comments. Anyone. Why we have to divide this by 2? Can anyone tell me? Why we have to divide it by 2? Just tell me this thing. Tell me this thing. Why we have to divide it by 2? Fast. Why we have to divide it by 2? Tell me. Yes, then we have to multiply it by 50. Rupees 50 per square meter was given. This we have to find. Now let me see now what we can do easily. Just wait. Now this guy is getting to my mind. Just wait. These are actually the paid PRs, nonsense people. We have to make them out of the class right now. You guys just come to disturb now. Wait. Actually, do not deserve. Okay. Bye-bye. Fine. Now anyone has problem, tell me. We can solve their problem also. Pi r square is area of circle minus side square. Okay, 35 square into 2. Done. We have taken 35 square common. Okay, 22 by 70. It is 22 minus 14. Na? Fine. Okay, now this thing actually, I don't want to see your comments anymore. Okay. See, now this is 35 square into, if 7 is LCM, it will be 22 minus 14. Okay. So it will be 35 square into 22 minus 14 will be 8. 8 by 7. Now solve it. 35 into 8 by 7. 7 ones are 7 fives. So it is 35 into 8 fives are 40. So it will come out to be what? 1200 and 200. 1400 meters square. Now I am telling you, even the books have the method which actually require more practice. I am going to tell you that method also. But see, we have subtracted this square from this circle. So we are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Now this is 4 parts. We have to find the answer for 2 parts. So this is just half of this. So required area of shaded region will be 1400 by 2. Got this or no? Yes, sir. Tell me. Come on. So we'll write area of shaded region will be equals to what? Area of shaded region will be equals to 1400 divided by 2. That is 700 meters square. Okay. So this is the required data. Now what was asked? Farmer wishes to grow grass on shaded region around the house. Find the cost of growing grass. They are not asking you about the area. They are finding that they are telling you to find the cost of growing grass. So cost, how to find cost? 50 per meter square. So just cost will be equals to what? Multiply this by 50. So 700 into 50, that means rupees 35,000. Do not forget to put the sign of this rupees before this, else half mark will be deducted. Okay, so this is the cost, rupees 35,000. Copy this, then we'll move forward. Copy this third part, copy, 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 copy. Yes, this was standard, obviously standard. We are not solving basic questions. Basics will be, you'll be having very easy questions. Okay, these are for standard questions. Done, done, done. Can we move forward? Done. Okay, so this was just pi r square minus x square, and the area came out to be 35,000 rupees. Now, last part, or part, I mean, we have done this part, we have done this part, last part. That third part is actually of 2 marks, right? This is half or 1.5 mark, then 2 marks. The total is 4 marks. Now, find the ratio of area of land on which house is to be built. Ratio of area of land. We have to find the ratio of area of land on which house is to be built. House is to be built on square. That means area of square. Area of square to remaining area of circular piece of land. To remaining. Remaining was what? This thing. 1400. Area of circle minus area of square. This is circle. If you subtract this square, so area of remaining portion will be there. Okay. So remaining portion is nothing but 1400 meters square. What is area of square? Side square means 35 under root 2 square upon 1400. This is the required ratio. So 35 into 35 into 2 upon 1400. You cancel it. 7 5s are 7 2s are 1400. 7 5s are 7 4s are 20. Got it? 5 1s are 5 8s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. Required ratio is 5 by 4, that is 5 is 2. I need to move my hands fast now. 5 is to 4, okay? Or 7 is to 4. Why I am doing mistakes? Sir, class 11 भी पढ़ा दीजिए. No. Okay, let's calculate this again. What is the mistake? I don't know. You have to complete it in the next 15 minutes, okay? We are having another classes also. So area of square, area, ratio, area on which house is built. House is built 35, root 35 into 35 into 2 upon area of remaining area of circular piece of land. That was 1400 only. Okay, so let's calculate it. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14, 0, 0. 35 ones are 35, 2s are and 0, right? And it is 5 4s are and 5 sevens are. Okay, 7 is to 4. 7 by 4. You have to write it like this. 7 is to 4 is the correct answer. Copy it and we are moving forward in next 30 seconds. Copy it, copy, 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 copy. You don't have to write like 7 by 4. Write it as 7 is to 4. Copy it, copy it, copy. Done. Can we move forward? So you can actually find the area of this segment separately also. Area of segment, what is the formula? Anyone? Anyone of you remember the area of segment? Huh? If I have to find just area of this one segment, area of segment is what? Area of circle minus this circle minus area of the triangle which is formed. Area of triangle, right? Like this. If this is a circle, okay, and this is a segment, you have to find area of this part. You just connect the center with this. You just take area of sector, sorry, instead of circle, you must write sector, right? Out of this sector, if triangle is subtracted, your work is done. So what is area of sector? It is theta by 360 into pi r square. What is area of this triangle in terms of sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2? That was typical. That's why I don't tell you. That's why I didn't told you. Tell me. What is formula for area of segment of a circle? Tell me. Anyone? Yeah, that's okay. Theta by 360 into pi r square, it's okay. Minus, tell me. Yeah. Sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 into r square. Sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 into r square. Sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 into r square. This is the formula. So what is theta? Theta is obviously, if this is a circle, this is a square, so this angle will be 90 degrees. Okay, so put 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square is 35 into 35 minus sin theta by 2 would mean sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Again cos 45 1 by root 2 into this theta by 2 is only for the angle. Radius square means same 35 into 35, right? So this is 90 ones are 94 are 2 twos are 2 11 are. So it is 11 into 35 square upon 14 minus 35 square upon 2, right? So if you take 35 square common, it is 11 by 14 minus 1 by 2. So if you take 35 square and 14 in the LCM, it will be 11 minus 7. So it is 35 square into 4 by 14. Okay. I think I've done correct. So it is 35 into 35 into 4 by 14. Let's see. 7 twos are 7 fives are 2 ones are 2 twos are. Right. So 2 5 twos are 10, 35. 350. 350 meter square came out to be area of only this part. This part is 350. And we have to find double. So 350, double of 350 is 700, right? So 700 meters square you can find like this also. And you can find like this also, which I have told you, right? This is what it is given in books, right? So this you can do by just area of circle minus area. Which one is easier for you? Which one is easier for every one of you? Tell me. You must know both the methods, but this one is easier for you, way easier, very, very, very easy for you. Yes or no? Tell me. So that's the way actually you solve section D and E questions also. It's not a joke, right? It's not the joke, right? You must learn this formula also, that area of segment is theta by 60 into pi r square minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 r square. Okay. Next thing. This is question number 36, I think. Done. And now question number 37. In an equal triangle, okay, this is question from the chapter arithmetic progression. I think you all must have done this question previously also. Question number 37. Okay, two questions for this wonderful good morning. Read the question carefully. Read the question carefully, carefully, carefully. Read the question, then I'll be solving this for you. Done? Okay. Read this question. In an equilateral triangle of side 10 centimeter, equilateral triangles of side 1 centimeter are formed as shown in figure below. This is equilateral triangle, and inside this equilateral triangle, you can see different equilateral triangles, right? This is equilateral, and this is like this. All triangles are equilateral. Fine. Side is 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. Okay. Equilateral triangles of side 1 centimeter. Okay. This small triangle have side equal to 1 centimeter. Such that there is one triangle in the first row. There's one, then three. See, number of small triangles equals to, this is one, this is three, then five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes or no? See, number of triangles in the rows are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Tell me how many triangles will be there in the bottommost row? How many triangles will be there in the bottommost row? These are rows. The rows actually make an AP. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. How many triangles will be there in the bottommost row? That means we must know the number of rows first. We must know the number of rows first. Yes or no? We are saying this is that there is one triangle in the first row, three triangles in the second row, five triangles in the third row, and so on. Okay, this is 10. So it is very easy that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Just keep on calculating. That's it. Very easy. Tell me 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then 11, 13, 15. Tell me how to do this. Try. This is for you. Very basic. Try. First, tell me how many number of triangles are there in the bottommost row. This can anyone tell me? How many triangles? No, these kind of triangles. How many these kind of triangles will be there? This is 1 centimeter. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. So at the end, there will be 10 triangles like this. 10 triangles like this. Yes. Yes, sir. So we have to actually find, yes. 10th row will be what? Tell me. How to check for the 10th row? Or how to check for the number of triangles in the last row? How many triangles will be there in the last row? How many rows are going to be there? Okay, tell me. How many rows? That we have to find out. Anyone? Everyone is sleeping. So no, we are not actually getting this question. Huh? Arey bhai. There are 10 triangles like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4. If there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's 4. If this is 10, there will be 9. So 10 and 9, 19 triangles. That's it. Why to get confused? Why to get confused? How many triangles? Anyone giving me answer? No, that will be making me happier. Okay, this is almost 2 hours class. We'll be ending it at 2.5 hours. Okay. I think so. I think yes. 10 triangles will be there. Obviously, yes. Okay, sir. So this is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. How to use this concept that 10 triangles are there? Okay, I understood. I got the point. I got the point. Similarly, you are having how many? This side is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many triangles will be there in the bottommost row? How many rows are there? Similarly, just you saw 10 triangles like this. You are actually seeing 10 triangles like this. Yes or no? 10 triangles like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So we'll write number of rows equals to number of rows equals to 10. And first row is having one triangle. Common difference is 3 minus 1, 2. So you'll write A10 will be A plus 9D, because formula for an is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. Yes or no? This is the formula for the nth term. This is nth term. So 10 will be 90. A means 1 plus 9 into 2 would mean 1 plus 18. So A10 is nothing but 90. Got the point? A10 is nothing but 90. Right? This is answer. So 19 triangles will be there in the last row. You can visualize also. Okay. How many triangles will be there in fourth row from the bottom? Fourth row from the bottom. Tell me, can you use the direct formula for fourth term from the end? Tell me. Can you use? I do not actually prefer that formula. I just tell you to do this logically. How many triangles will be there in the fourth row from the bottom? The fourth row from the bottom. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fourth row from the bottom will be which row from the starting? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth row from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Will be seventh row from the starting. Yes or no? Fourth row from bottom is going to be equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seventh row from starting. Yes or no? Tell me. Seventh row from starting. Yes or no? Yes or no? How many of you got this point? See, the solutions for this on the internet says what? They just use direct formula for n term. I am not going to make you memorize that. I am not going to memorize that. Right? Fourth row from bottom, fourth row, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, seventh row from starting. That means 7 means what? 7, A7. That means A7. That means A plus 6D. What is A plus 6D? 1 plus 6 into 2. 1 plus 12 means 13 triangles. 13 triangles is the answer. It is 19 triangles. Okay. This answer is 19 triangles. Okay. Right? Completely triangles. Okay. Not like this. Find the total number of triangles of one side. Find the total number of triangles of one side centimeter each till eighth row. Would mean what? You have to find total number of triangles. The third part. Second is done. Total number of triangles of 1 centimeter each till eighth row. Eighth row means first row 1, second row 3, then 5, then 7. You have to add. Then you have to find sum of terms till eighth row. So S10 you have to find out. S10. Sn formula is n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That means n by 2 would mean what they are saying? Eighth row. They are saying eighth row from the starting. How to find from the eighth row? Tell me. S8. Yes, that means 8 by 2 8 by 2. 2a means 2 into 1 plus 8 minus 1, 7 into 2. Right. So it will be 4 into 2 plus 14. That means 4 into 16. That means 64 triangles. Copy this. Then we will be solving the last part for this. Copy this. Copy, copy, copy. Done. Last part we have to do. Done, 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 done. Yes, this is 64. You got the point, na? 14 and 2, 16, 16 for the. So 64 triangles are there in the 8th row. Okay. 64 triangles are there in the 8th row. Now, second part out. Instead of these, instead of this part, you can also do this part. This part or this part. These two parts are compulsory, but this part is having a option for you. Okay, you can use this also. How many more number of triangles are there from 5th row to 10th row than in first 4 rows? That means how many more number of triangles are there from 5th row to 10th row? So say this is first row 1, then 3, then 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Okay. This is very simple arithmetic progression. That's why I've wrote it like this. Okay. Now, okay, keep on copying. It will be there for you always, right? Now, find the total number of how many more triangles? How many more triangles are there from 5th row to 10th row? Would mean what? From 5th row to 10th row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5th row to 10th row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from 5th row to 10th row would mean we have to find the sum of this. That means now our first term will be A, last term will be 19 L, and number of terms will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So for this sum from 5th to 10th row will be, formula will be n by 2, formula will be n by 2 into, instead of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, we'll use a plus l. Because in this case, we know the last term. So number of terms are 6, 6 by 2. First term will be 9, last term will be 19. This way, smarter you have to do. So 3 into 19 plus 9, 28. It is 84 triangles. So they're saying how many more number of triangles are there from 5th to 6th, 5th to 10th row. That means we have got the number of triangles from 5th to 10th row. This number of triangles, sum we have got. Now first 4 rows, that means S4, n by 2, 4 by 2. First term plus last term, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 7. Got this point? How we calculated this? Got this? N by 2. This sum will be what? N by 2. First term plus last term, 1 plus 7. Okay, this will be 2 into 8, that means 16. So what is the difference? 84 minus 16 is our answer. That means 68. Tell me. 68 triangles is the answer. Yes or no? How many more triangles are there? Okay. 68 triangles are there. Okay. So that's the way you must calculate. Okay. So how many more number of triangles are there from 5th to 10th row? Then in 4 rows, 68. Got this point? Yes or no? Sorted. So this you keep on copying, right? The last question I am dropping it for you. It's for your practice. We have to end this class right now. This last question, okay, this last question is there and it is the solution for this. Very easy. Just you have to use applications of trigonometry. Tan theta, use tan theta, sin theta, cos theta and get the answers. Okay, question number 38. These are section E questions, okay? You need to actually know how to learn all this, how to read all this, okay? So this is the question from the chapter application of trigonometry. Do it yourself, very easy question. This question we have done for the last question number 37 for the given series of questions. Its PDF I'll be giving you in 1 hour or 2 hour in a link which is available on the post. Okay, so that's it. We have completed this series of PYQs. Okay, complete question paper of class 10 maths we have done this year which came. This is the most difficult one which I have ever seen in the last 4 or 5 years. Okay, so that's it. This is JP sir signing off. We'll be meeting you tomorrow. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Best of luck for your exams. And yes, do not forget, I am there for you always. Bye bye. Take care. See you.